how to fix Preauth Playintegrity verification failed in ChatGPT. So this error means your device failed Google Play's integrity checks. Common on rooted, custom ROM, uncertified, or de-Googled Android phones. We do have a quick fix over here, which is clearing data and doing a reinstall. So just go ahead and follow these steps that we have over here, or options. The first one is to uninstall ChatGPT from your device. You can go to the settings or apps for both the Google Play Store and Google Play services. Tap Force Stop, and then clear cache and clear data. Reinstall ChatGPT from the Play Store. Once you've done that, this should be the first option actually. But if you uninstall ChatGPT, you probably don't have to do this option anymore. Then just go ahead and open ChatGPT and check if it now passes the check. If it's still failing, you can reboot your device and try the same method again. But anyways, hopefully this very simple method does work for you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.